Hello to everyone! I greet you on ArtBelChannel. Today I'll show you how to disassemble the Oukitel K6000 Plus and sponsor this video the game Raid.
If you've been playing Raid Shadow Legends on the go, now it's available for PC and Mac. Sync with your existing game account, get native performance on your hardware, enjoy blazing fast graphics with HD textures, motion blurring, and awesome new effects and animations, along with some quality of life improvements for desktop. Now you can play Raid however and wherever you want. Get it now on Plarium Play.
To start raiding on your desktop, install the Plarium Play downloader now.
First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM card tray, since if you forget it, you'll not take it apart or simply break the tray. Put it aside. Next, need to unscrew the two screws under the bottom of the phone. Then take the pick and in the corners, where there is a softer plastic, try to separate. Look, it's separate here. The body hold tight, so you have to add a little effort. Go around the frame, and that's all the back cover looks like. Don't lose the buttons, they just dangle. And so it looks K6000 Plus from the inside. Look, it has an iron case here. It should hold drops well. Okay, let's start to disassemble. First of all, turn off the battery cable, so that nothing shorts out anywhere. Then need to remove these two cables. First, remove the tape from one. You can lift out this one, open the connector and carefully. The cable is glued from the bottom. Lift it. For disconnection the second cable, you need to remove the bottom board. It is grooved on the two screws. Take it off. I'll also immediately turn off the Wi-Fi cable and put it aside. Unscrew these two screws. Next, remove the bottom board. It's not glued, but a vibration motor is glued. Be careful. Well, now unglue the cable. It's on the touch button and fingerprint. Carefully peel off the double-sided tape and lift it up. Next you need to remove the battery. Like all batteries, this one is also glued. Try to pick up it with pick. Also no, don't pick it. Here it has two black sticks on the right. They are for to peel off double-sided tape. We just take it and pull them, thereby removing all glue from under a battery. As you can see, the battery easily disconnected. Under the battery is also an iron massive case. The phone case is made well, in my opinion. Well, go further. The power buttons are soldered, so to remove the top board, they must first be peeled off from the case. They come off without problems. Next you need to unscrew the four screws. Take a screwdriver and just unscrew it. Put out the display cable. Turn off the camera cable and touchscreen cable. And now carefully try to lift the main board. It is glued in below. Don't try to lift it hardly. Wait, I'll show you where it is glued. Firstly, the main camera is glued to a double-sided tape. You can just lift the board and slowly pick it up from the bottom, since I am doing it now. And in another place the board is also glued on the touchscreen cable. Immediately from the beginning, also unstick here. Here you can see a little iron case of the touch cable, for which you can easily unstick. Press and unstick without problems. So again, the board was glued here and here. Don't forget to peel it off before pulling main board, otherwise you will break down the display module by tearing off the cable. Go further. If you need to replace the display, you need to unstuck it here. It is simple. Heat it from the outside and inside and peel it off. Then here is an example link now appears here at the top in this video. In that video you can see how to replace the screen on K6000 Pro. Here the same thing. I'll also leave you links to the display and other spare parts for the K6000 Plus in the description below the video. While assembling the phone back, everything is in reverse order, as in disassembly. And so my phone turned on. Check it works. Camera, sensor, buttons and all things which you separated. To convince that all connectors and cables I didn't forget to connect. Well, and that's all. Did the video help or just you like it? You need put like. And also don't forget to watch my other videos and click on the circle in the center of the screen and subscribe to the ArtBelChannel.